Here we are on the Pacific Coast Beach for my kids' very first adventure playing on the West Coast. They spent some time building a sandcastle and waiting for the waves to wash in and destroy it. I was told by a friend of mine that there was nothing to see on the Pacific Coast Beach because it wasn't any different than the Atlantic beaches. But as you can clearly see, it is a very different beach. On the Atlantic beach, the sun rises in the east. Then on the Pacific Coast Beach, the sun sets in the west.